Hi there, my tulips. Welcome back to my channel. It is yours truly, Bliss. I'm back, babies. It's been a while since I've been on, so I decided to do a video while I'm braiding my hair. So as you guys can see, I've gotten quite a bit done, but I still got an extreme long way to go. So you guys can kind of tell that these braids are going to be long braids. I was feeling kind of long this time instead of short. Usually I wear neck length braids, so go juice it up a little bit. So as you guys can see, I still have some short hair going on, so I'm going to work with these tapered sides and try to get those braided, or get these hairs braided. So I'm kind of combing it out just a little bit, ever so gently, as you can see there. You guys probably also see the length, so those taper sides are definitely growing back. So what I'm going to need, couldn't even talk today. What I'm going to use is some virgin hair fertilizer, and I'm going to apply that direct to my scalp. You guys know this is one of my favorite products. It's just one of those staple products that I have here. Okay, so I'm going in, I'm parting my hair, and I'm doing small pieces at a time. Okay, so you see that hair right there? You can kind of see the length of the tapered sides there. So I know a lot of you guys are probably wondering, am I trying to grow back my hair, or am I going to go back and cut it? Well, I'm not so sure, you guys. Like I mentioned in previous videos, last time I cut my hair was back in February of this year. It is now August and I still have not cut my hair, so I don't know what I'm going to do yet. So you guys saw me apply a little bit of Eco Style gel, and now I'm going in and I'm installing the Kakalon hair, you guys. Let me tell you, this was extremely tumultuous for me because these sides are very short, and I have never braided extreme short hair like this before, so it's definitely challenging for me, but I most certainly got it in there pretty good, so no complaints at all. And I'm glad you guys got a real close-up of what that looks like, but don't be fearful. If you can braid, you can grip short hair, medium length hair, long hair, and we'll do okay. Just trust and believe in yourself. Anyway, girl, when was the last time you braid your hair? Has it been a while? Have you even sported braids this summer? Or are you going to sport braids this winter? Y'all, let me tell you, it is extremely late. I got a late start on doing these braids. I started at 6 o'clock, and you guys, it's 10 o'clock. So I can tell that I'm a little rusty with these long braids because I have not done long braids in months. And it seems as though I was moving in extreme slow motion. Not good for your girl at all. Okay, so I'm still going in. I'm still braiding my hair. As you guys can see, I'm getting closer and closer to being complete. We are now 2 more hours in. It's now 8 o'clock, and although I can see the end of the tunnel, we still got a long way to go, girl. Woo! Alright, y'all, so I'm just braiding. I am following the same steps that I've always followed with my ends whenever I do long braids. I am tying the ends of the hair in a very small knot so that it will be easy for me when I begin to dip my hair to get those loosey silk ends. Okay? By the way, you guys, if you're not following me on any social media, I am always on Instagram. So you guys check me out there because I'm constantly posting pictures there, and I would love to see you there. Ooh, lordy, lordy. Alright, you guys, so we've reached our end. Doing near. We're getting closer. We're more than halfway there. We're more than 75% there. We're almost 100% there, and so far so good. I'm pleased with where we have come. Anyway, you guys, I hope you guys really support our channel here. I'm hoping to grow our channel. We're at the 2,500 mark, and I'm aiming for 3K before this year is out. So support your girl and follow me. Want to let you guys know in advance that my battery will die soon. So what that means is it's a strong possibility that the results will be reflected in photos that I'll take with my braids. I hope you guys enjoy today's video. I'll see you tulips in the next one. Smoochies. Mwah.